I am say about afternoon party. How is it for the pupil of experience the afternoon party in summer? Today I want to share my experience with you on the subject so that you too become alert in the coming time. In the name of partying in such heat, I was nervous. But the condition became such that I had to agree. The guests were unable to understand how our comfortable guest would tolerate so much heat. For him, how will the trouble caused by summer be able to keep his mood right? How will I feel after hearing their complaints? Because first of all, the relatives started asking if there is more than one AC in your house. When they found out more, then he breathed a sign of relief when it was time for his arrival. Then I started working in the morning so that they do not get a chance to complain. But despite trying, some coming remain. In summer, it was necessary to provide means for everyone to drink more than food. Fill the fridge with stuff, still in front of the need of ice and water, as if the refrigerator died. The problem of keeping more food was revealed. Food is not spoiled in winter, but where to keep so much food in summer? The fridge was filled with drinking material. Most of the food kept outside the fridge has deteriorated. When the main party was held at noon, almost half of guests were called. Pupil got many reasons for that. At first, he did not remember the afternoon feast. They started getting ready in the evening, and then the feast was over only in the afternoon. All his tea was left intact. Some pupils cited the reason for not being discharged from the job. Almost all the guests who did the job did not come, only auto professional attended. According to some people, how did they come when the transporters were not in the house? Women were not used to going so far alone. They did not know the way, so domestic women could not come. According to some, he went out of Delhi. They get a chance to go with the children in the holidays. They had already got reservation. Therefore, be absent. According to the lesson that my experience taught, do not make such mistake by understanding these things too, because it gives you body. Will have to suffer loss of mind and money. Your body will get tired as hard work. There will be loss of money due to the absence of pupil. The mind will be trouble thinking about the reason for not coming. Many type of thoughts will keep agitating the mind. When and where did people forget about us? What did the pupil think that they did not come? Or our way of calling hurts them? The mind will come out of this sorrow after several days. Someone had warned me earlier that there are fewer people in the afternoon party. All the progress has been liked. People will not like to put their jobs on the back of a feast. What I thought I have accounted for all the pupil, ordered 50 plates less than that. But it was surprising when half the pupil did not come. People have started thinking, why take a day off for a feast? Eating a good day, earning. You should also learn from this to avoid wastage of time and food.